In this video, we're going to look at how we can share our location with the Find My app on the iPhone. We can share for a specific period of time, such as an hour or till the end of the day, or indefinitely. Let's see how we do this. Let's go to my iPhone. Now, the first thing that we need to do is make sure that sharing is enabled. We do this through the Find My app. So I have my Find My app here. I tap on it to open it up. And now what we need to do is we need to go down to Me in the lower right-hand corner. When I tap on this and then drag this up, you may have to drag this up, you're going to see Share My Location. We want to make sure that this is turned on. Now what we need to do is set who we want to share our location with and for how long. To do that, we go over to the People tab in the lower left-hand corner. Tap on it. And then I tap on Start Sharing Location. When I tap on this, I invite who I want to share my location with. So I'm going to share my location with Abigail. And I can select multiple names in here. I can select more than one name. If you want to go to your contacts, you can go over to the plus here and tap on your contacts, your individual contacts. So now I have it set to share with Abigail Appleseed. The next thing I do is I tap on Send. When I tap on Send, I set how long I want to share my location with her. So it could be an hour, it could be until the end of the day, and then it also could be indefinitely. I'm just going to go with an hour here. And now it is sending an invitation to Abigail. She will get that invitation, and if she accepts it, she'll be able to see my location for the next hour. After that, it will automatically stop. It will stop sharing my location with Abigail. If I want to add more people here, I can tap on the plus. I go to Share My Location, and I can start the whole process over with. So what I could do is I could share my location with Abigail for an hour, but with Dan here indefinitely. You can set it up individually. I'm going to cancel. We can see that Abigail can see my location. You're also going to see it has a little orange clock here. I'm going to move my cursor down a little bit. We have a little orange clock. That means it is not indefinite. Now, if you want to see how much time you have left sharing your location, you can get information on anyone that you are sharing your location with. If I tap and hold on this, you're going to see I am sharing my location for another 58 minutes with Abigail. I can also stop sharing my location, and I can go to her contact information. If she was sharing her location, I'd be able to get directions to her location. I'm going to close this. Another way to stop sharing your location with someone is to just swipe over to the left on their name. So if I swipe over to the left with Abigail here, you can see we have the little trash icon, and once I select this, it'll stop sharing my location with her. So those are the different ways we can share our location with the Find My app on the iPhone. Basically, we just go into the Find My app, we go to Me and make sure that we're sharing our location. From there, what we need to do is go to the People tab and invite who we want to share our location with. When we invite someone to share our location with, you can also set how long you're going to share your location with them. They will get an invitation. If they accept it, they'll be able to see your location for the specified time that you select. To stop sharing your location with someone, all you have to do is just swipe to the left on their name. You can also long press on their name to see any details. So that's how we share our location with the Find My app on our iPhone.